So hello everyone. We will solve the Vision Open Test for Prelims 2024 and let us see how we can analyze it as well as we solve in the real time examination. So consider the following statement with respect to the judicial system under the British. Under the Regulating Act of 1773, the Supreme Court had no jurisdiction to try the Governor General of Bengal or the judges of the Supreme Court except in few cases. Under the Cornwallis Code 1793, the collector was responsible for the revenue administration as well as the magisterial function. Until the office of the William Bentinck, Persian was the official languages in the court. So पूछ रहा how many statements are correct. So first statement is wrong here because the मतलब no jurisdiction ऐसा नहीं है. Regulating Act was to regulate the company. ठीक. So it's was not like that. And तो first तो नहीं है, second and third are correct. So only two is the correct answer. Save and next. Consider the following statement regarding the Cripps mission. It proposed a plan for a constituent assembly. Cripps mission. Okay. It provided if any province not willing to join the union could have a separate constitution. Jawaharlal Nehru and Maulana Azad were the official negotiator for the Congress. सो प्रपोज तो कांग्रेस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली की जो बात हुई है वो क्रिप्स मिशन आई थिंक कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान में हुई थी. सो इट वाज स्टेट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. इट प्रोवाइड इफ एनी प्रोविंस विलिंग टू जॉइन सेपरेट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट्स ट्रू. सो आई थिंक ओनली टू इज द करेक्ट आंसर हेयर. आई विल गो विद द ट्रेंड एज पर द यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन. आई एम नॉट अप्लाइंग एनी trick for this paper specific. I am using what UPSC kind of mindset should be. तो स्टेटमेंट वन है द ट्रेड यूनियन एक्ट 1926 रिकॉग्नाइज द ट्रेड यूनियन एज लीगल एसोसिएशंस. स्टेटमेंट टू द ट्रेड यूनियन एक्ट 1926 लेड टू द डिक्लाइन इन द इंटर और इंट्रा ट्रेड यूनियन डिस्प्यूट्स इन इंडिया. तो बोथ एंड करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन तो नहीं है, दोनों करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. I think first statement wrong. Trade Union Act. Maybe this is the. I think first statement is Trade Union Act 1926 led to the decline in the intra trade union dispute in India. Trade Union Act में हो सकता है legal associations. First statement wrong लग रहा है मुझे. In the context of colonial history, who are the interlopers? Interloper कौन थे? They were the middlemen engaged by the company to negotiate with the merchant. Interlope. It was a term used to denote the Indian merchant working for East India Company for a commission. I think they were the dismissed employee of the East India. They were the merchant who traded independently in spite of. I think second statement is correct. I have read it somewhere, but I am unable to recall correctly. Which one of the following European trading company used tapped market to fund their imperial activities in India? It is easy question. So, okay, Britishers. Consider the following statement regarding Vaishnava Sant Chaitanya. He was a contemporary to Humayun. Not at all. He was not contemporary to Humayun. Humayun came later and he was around 1500, so he was not. He popularized Krishna Bhakti in many parts of Eastern India. He popularized the practice of Sankirtana. Only two is the correct answer. Easy question. Doctrine Anekantavad is associated with the Jainism. Definitely true. Digambar Therapanthis believe in ideal worship, while Swetambar Therapanthis do not. Digambar do not believe in Therapanthis. So second statement is wrong. Digambar sector Jainism believes that women cannot be Tirthankaras. Digambar were of the view men cannot be Tirthankaras. True. Only true answer. Easy question. Kirti Torna or a decorated entrance are the unique feature of Gujarat temples. Not at all. हर जगह पे मतलब कीर्ति तोरना पर not, but torna for there. Or a decorated entrances are the unique feature. Mandorava is a term used for the decorated walls of Odisha temples. Panchayat and style seen in Nagra. ये तो करेक्ट है. पंचायत स्टाइल इज सीन इन नागरा टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर इज ट्रू. मैंडोरवा इज अ टर्म यूज फॉर डेकोरेटेड वॉल्स ऑफ द ओडिशा टेम्पल्स. मे बी दैट्स ऑल्सो ट्रू बिकॉज इट मे बी ट्रू. कीर्ति तोड़ना maybe a specific term, but decorated entrances are not the unique feature of the Gujarat temples. There were other temples who were highly decorated. So first is wrong, only two is the correct answer. Balutedar, it is asked from the PYQ, I think. Reference to medieval Balutedar. They were the landlords who had administrative function. No. They were the temporary residents of village who held tenancy for a shorter period. No. They were the spies working for the Maratha king. They were the village servant and artisans. I think they were the landlords, Balutedar. They were temporary residents of Blaze. Balute. Landlords, I think I have read, but I am unable to recall. Now let us see. Match the following. How many are correct? है ना? Pair correct. Ghayastuddin Balban established the powerful Turkish council Chalisa. He actually abolished the Chalisa system. So first is wrong. Aladdin Khilji, first sultan to pay soldier fully in cash. That's true. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred capital from Delhi to Devgiri. Dawlatabad. I think. Alam Shah Timur invaded India, plundered Delhi. So only two is correct. In essence, what does social democracy means? So we talk about social democracy, political democracy. I think it is a system where citizens have a right to choose the legislature in free and fair elections. No, it is a system where people share ownership over the resources in their communities. It is a way of life which recognizes liberty, equality, fraternity, the principle of life. It is a society which ensures the fair application of law through the social revolution. No way. I think this is the social democracy. Consider the following statement with respect to the elections in India. No voter is required to travel more than 2 kilometers to cast a vote. I think not a 2 kilometer, it's 5 kilometer, I think. So first statement is wrong. There's only one qualifying date of 1st January to determine the age of 18 years. No. A person in a lawful custody of the police can vote in election through proxy voter. I don't know, to be very honest, but what I know is no voter required to travel more than 2 kilometers to cast a vote is wrong. Maybe second statement is only one date, 1st January को update करते हैं, that's the case. I think it's not, but I think only one is the correct. Yes, third statement मुझे सही लग रहा है, बाकी दो गलत है. Statement first is Bihar has the greater allocation of Rajya Sabha seats compared to the Tamil Nadu. Okay, the population of Bihar exceeds that of the Tamil Nadu. Definitely बिहार की population ज़्यादा है. सो वी विल सी दैट बिहार की पॉपुलेशन तमिलनाडु से ज़्यादा है. बिहार तो लॉजिकली जाएंगे, अगर पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा होती है तो सीट्स भी उसी अकॉर्डिंग एलोकेट होंगी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में. सो फ्रॉम दैट लॉजिक बोथ आर दी करेक्ट. एक्सप्लेनेशन भी करेक्ट है. दैट्स द लॉजिक आई पुट. मुझे नहीं पता सीरियसली, हो सकता है तमिलनाडु की ज़्यादा हो. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दी सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Person with annual income of less than 7.5 lakhs are eligible to get legal aid from the Supreme Court middle income group legal aid society on nominal payment. Galat. An advocate can be appointed by Supreme Court as an amicus curiae to defend accused in both civil and criminal cases. Once a review petition is dismissed by the Supreme Court, no remedy is available with the accused to reappeal to the Supreme Court. I think only two statements are correct. Consider the following statement with respect to the motion moved by the member of parliament. The adoption of adjournment motion is seen as the censure of the government and the government need to resign. Adoption, yes, definitely adjournment motion adopt हो जा रहा है. Yes, the no confidence motion needs support of at least 100 members to be admitted. Wrong. Rajya Sabha is not allowed to amend the motion of thanks to the president. Yes, sahi, only two is correct. Recently, Bihar cabinet approved a proposal to increase the reservation in the state from existing 50% to 65% for SC, ST and OBCs, crossing the ceiling set by the Supreme Court. In this context, consider the following pairs. Indira Saini case, 50% ceiling on the reservation. M. Rahul Raj case, reservation promotion does not require quantifiable data. General Singh, the state is not bound to provide reservation and promotion for SC, ST. And Janhit Abhiyan case, upheld constitutional validity of 103 constitution. Only two is correct. I think M. Nargaj में कहा था कि require quantifiable data. So only two in that case. I know the first one, third one, and the fourth, I think. So that's the case. I am going. Which of the following cover personality rights under its ambit? Personality. Right to life is personality. Consider the following constitutional and non-constitutional post. Chief Information Commissioner is constitutional. Member of Central Vigilant Commissions are non-constitutional. Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation non-constitutional. Member of the Lokpal non-con. How many above post mention? Post the leader of opposition Lok Sabha as a part of the selection committee. Oh my God. Information का तो है. Vigilance to I think there are I think all four hai, if I'm not wrong. Consider the following with respect to Civil Defense Corps. The Civil Defense Act 1968 empowers the state government to constitute Civil Defense Corps. Uh, Disaster management is one of the rules given to Civil Defense Corps. The Director General of Civil Defense functions under the Ministry of Defense. I think it is third is wrong क्योंकि Ministry of Home Affairs होगा. Consider the following statement with respect to the Right to Information Act 2005. Under the Act, the information which cannot be denied to the Parliament shall not be denied to any person. No way. Article empower only central government, not the state government, to exempt any intelligent organization from purview of the Act. The Computer Emergency Response Team, certain, and the National Technical Research Organization (NTRO) are exempted from the purview of RTI. No way. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's also wrong. I think none is the answer. I don't know. Indian government has submitted the country's third national communication and initial adaptation communication to the United Nations Framework Convention in this context. The submissions are based on the National Green Gas Innovation Program, reduction of the gross domestic by 45 achieved by Indian added extra carbon sink of around 2 billion ton of the in 2519. I think only two are correct. Consider the following statements. The temperature range of the forest where the species lives. Temperature range of the forest, the time of day when the species is most active. The specific role and the position of the species within the food web. How many of the can be considered component of an species ecological niche? Third is correct. The most active ecological niche, the temperature range of the forest where the species lives. All three are the niche का part है somehow. So that's the correct. Loss and Damage Fund was recently with administrated by. The funding facility will be given by Global Environment Facility. Loss and Damage Fund वर्ल्ड बैंक के द्वारा. CNG, अब देखो easy question है. I'm unable to recall the body, so that's okay. CNG is a transport sector. PNG is a city gas distributor. Aviation turbine fuel is the aviation sector from the onward compressed biogas blending obligation is implemented for how many of the above sector? So I think only two is the correct answer. PNG is, I think. In the context of the Buddhist tradition, consider the following statement: paramitas, यानी perfections. But the set of virtues that are necessary for the attainment of enlightenment. बिल्कुल. This is the part of the Hinayana sect of the Buddhism. No, the other are the part of the Pajana paramitas. So Bodhisattvas had that. So 2 is wrong. Sila paramita means being patient with others, enduring hardship, etc. Only 2 is correct. Easy question. With reference to the Asiatic lion, consider Asiatic lions are slightly smaller than the African lions. The Gir National Park of Gir is only known natural habitat of remaining Asiatic lions in the world. The most striking Asiatic lions extends to the longitudinal scale fold along its valley. Only 2 is correct. Which of the following things are banned under the single-use plastic ban in India? Ice cream with a plastic sticks. Yes. Thermocol. Yes. Earbuds with plastic sticks. No. Plastic carrying wax with a thickness of 120 micron. Cigarette packet wrappers तो ओनली बैन हो गए हैं. तो ये तो फर्स्ट तो हो गया है, सेकंड भी हो गया है. द मोमेंट फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड सभी हो गए हैं भाई. अब देखो इजी वन. हाइड्रोफाइट्स. हाइग्रो मतलब मॉइस्चर रिलेटेड, जीरो मतलब ड्रॉट रिलेटेड, हेलो मतलब salt related, and hydro मतलब stomata are always absent. No way, only three answer. Which are the following best risks? The white hydrogen. White hydrogen is naturally occurring from the hydrogen found in the earth crust. It's provided using steam methane reforming, which involve reacting natural gas with steam. It's produced using the electrolysis of the water powered by renewable energy sources like solar or wind. It's hydrogen extracted from water vapors in atmosphere using advanced tech. Yeah. Refuse derived fuel. In this context of waste management is a fuel derived from refuse derived. है ना, नॉन कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस अदर देन द क्लोरीन मटेरियल कंबस्टिबल गैसेस एंड इज डिफिकल्ट टू रीयूज इन द व्हीकल. नॉन कंबस्टिबल वेस्ट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द लिक्विड वेस्ट अदर देन द क्लोरीनेटेड मटेरियल. Combustible waste fraction of the solid waste other than the. I think this recently Elon Musk Starlink has lost dozens of satellites that were caught in a geomagnetic storm. In this context, coronal mass ejections of solar flares is the primary cause of the geomagnetic storms. All solar flares reaches the earth. गलत. Second statement is all obviously wrong यार, सारी थोड़ी आती हैं. Geomagnetic storms occur during the release of energy associated with sunspots. बिल्कुल. Geomagnetic storms last for more than a month and the effect can be felt for years. Only two are correct, I think. Indian rose chestnut, white cedar, giant sequoia, red maple. How many naturally found in the Western Ghat? Red maple is there, giant sequoia is there, white cedar or cedar is not, rose chestnut is not. So only two is correct. Consider river: Roop Narayan River, Amba River, Kushiara River. How is transboundary river? Kushiara is there, and Ramba. So only two is correct. Tossa jute is grown comparatively in lowland situations, while white jute is grown in a medium and highland situation. Laterally, gravel soil is the most suited for the jute cultivation. Neither, I think. In the context of the power sector in India, consider the following statement. Currently, the total installed generation capacity of the power in India is more than 800 gigawatt. Wrong. Of the total share of the private sector is greater than two-thirds of the installed general capacity. The share of the solar power among the non-fossil based sources more than 30%. So that's it. Consider the following statement about the India-Israel. India officially recognized 1948. Both the countries established full diplomatic tie only in 1992. The two countries have a functioning free trade agreement. Recently, India voted in favor of UN demanding Israel to withdraw from the Golan Heights. No way. I think Golan Heights was not. So only three is correct. So consider NATO. Article 5 of NATO enshrines the principle of collective defense. Yes. NATO invokes the principle of collective defense for the first and the only time in history after 9. No way. All members of the European Union are the member of no way. I think this is the only one is correct. Consider the following statement about the Indian Middle East European corridor. It aims to comprehensive transportation network including rail, road, sea route. It's part of partnership of global infrastructure investment. European Union is a part of it. Definitely EU is part of it. And only two is correct. Second is not there. With reference to the International Olympic Committee, it's the international body under the ECOSOC. No way. International Olympic Committee was held in India for first time. Maybe. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sport as ex officio member of. Not correct. Only one is not correct. Wait. I think I need to go to next side question. It is. So let us see. Sports, youth, and I think that's the correct. Okay. The regional anti-terrorist rats तो पता ही है ना, rats हमारा SCO में है. So that was easy question. Consider the following statement regarding the Mother's Absolute Affection program. It is a program to ensure the adequate awareness on the benefit of breastfeeding. Its aims to provide medical and judicial care to severely accused malnourished children. Its aims to deworm all the preschool and school children through the. No way, only two is correct. प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना scheme was recently extended for the period of 5 years. Under the scheme, rice, wheat, coarse grains shall be provided free of cost to all the eligible households. The scheme can be availed by the beneficiary belonging to Antyodaya Anna Yojana priority households category covered. सही है. It was launched by the central government. Semicon. 76,000 crore. Under the scheme, finance support 50% of the project cost will be provided for setting of semi-conductor fabs and India design and nodal agency only 2. Life insurance, gold, silver ornament, mutual funds and credit card loans. How many are considered part of household financial savings? Savings तो नहीं होती credit card loans, so what is incorrect? Mutual funds are the part of financial savings. Gold and silver ornament saving है. Life insurance सेविंग्स तो नहीं है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है. म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, सेव नहीं करते. सेविंग तो गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर ऑर्नामेंट फाइनेंशियल सेविंग्स है. क्रेडिट कार्ड लोन्स आर नॉट दी सेविंग्स. तो आई थिंक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इज दी सेविंग्स है. सो ओनली 2 इज करेक्ट. Recently, a few countries have argued against India's minimum indicative export quota at WTO. In this context, MIQ is related to minimum indicative export quota. Rice, I think that was. High interest rate in the economy, decline in the cost of raw material. However, will lead to the increase in the interest coverage ratio of a company. Interest coverage ratio क्या होता है? Just logic लगाइए. मतलब कितना इंटरेस्ट कवर कर पा रही है अपना, कितना एसेट्स पे कितना इंटरेस्ट कवर कर पा रही है. मतलब जितना उन्होंने लगाया है डेट टू इंटरेस्ट टू डेट रेशियो में, तो इंटरेस्ट कवर कितना हो रहा है पर डेट पे. सो लोन दिया है और कितना इंटरेस्ट ले पा रही है. हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट इन द इकोनॉमी, इंटरेस्ट रेट हाई होगा तो इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो भी ज़्यादा होगा ऑब्वियसली. डिक्लाइन द कॉस्ट ऑफ द रॉ मटेरियल, अगर रॉ मटेरियल का प्राइस कम होगा तो प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा होगा, तो इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो बढ़ेगा. इंक्रीज इन द कंपनीज ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट, तो भी इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो ज़्यादा होगा. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा है कंपनी को तो इंटरेस्ट ईजिली पे कर पाएगा. डिक्लाइन द कॉस्ट ऑफ द रॉ मटेरियल हो जाएगा कंपनी के लिए, तो ईजिली परचेज कर पाएगा, तो ज़्यादा ग्रो कर पाएगा. इंटरेस्ट रेट इन द इकोनॉमी होगा तो कम पैसे, हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट होगा तो कम ले चांसेस हैं कि वो ले पाएगा. मतलब कंपनी को अगर पैसा लेना है, इंटरेस्ट रेट है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो इंटरेस्ट रेट पे करना पड़ेगा. कंपनी का इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो की बात हो रही है, तो अगर हाई इंटरेस्ट मार्केट में इसको लेना तो देना ही पड़ेगा, तो इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो कम हो पाएगा. तो पहला तो कम हो जाएगा है ना. सेकंड, डिक्लाइन दी रॉ मटेरियल होगा तो फायदा ज़्यादा होगा, इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा मिलेगा. इंक्रीज इन दी कंपनी तो भी ज़्यादा होगा. तो ओनली 2 स्टेटमेंट्स. ईजी था, थोड़ा मैंने टाइम ज़्यादा लिया, काफ़ी टाइम हो गया ये रिवाइज करे हुए. कंसिडर फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्ड टू द इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर ड्यूरिंग 2015-21. इंडिया हैज प्रोड्यूस्ड मोर पल्सेज देन द ऑयल सीड्स ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड. GDP of the agriculture sharing of fishing agriculture more than the livestock. The share of the public sector investment in the agriculture is greater than the private sector. Definitely third is true, second is wrong, so only 2 I'm going with. In the context of the India's external sector economic, consider the following statement. The net service export and remittances contributed to surplus on the invisible account. Definitely. Remittances are the largest source of the external financing. India has a net income surplus over the last 3 years. No way, third is wrong, only 2 is correct. High speed rail project included construction 2 dedicated freight corridor along the Golden Quadrant. Gati Shakti multi-modal cargo terminals. These are the being developed railway on a non-railway land based on the potential of cargo traffic. Kishan rail trains for perishable deficit, only 2 is correct. Indian economic consider the following statement. India's total government debt to GDP ratio is more than 100%. Definitely. The fiscal responsibility debt to GDP ratio, India's total government debt to GDP ratio, I think not. Fiscal responsibility and budget management review committee has recommended a debt to GDP ratio 20 for the central and 40 for the state government. Second is wrong and 1 is, I think, debt to GDP. That is true. Which of the following concept emphasizes distributing computing resources closer to the data source for enhanced performance? Computer resource closer to the data source. Okay, blockchain tech ही है. Consider the following statements regarding the Sagun rice technique. There is no plowing of the soil involved, no transplantation of rice carried out in facilities, early harvesting of the crop. तो सही है, there is no plowing, no transplantation of rice carried out. All 3 are correct. Humans are considered holobionts because holobiont is a collection of multiple and independent species. नहीं, obviously wrong है. So first is wrong according to me. Consider following quantum dot. They are the naturally available nanocrystals with unique optical electronic property. They are quantum dots are not naturally available हैं. They are capable of emitting monochromatic lights when excited energy state. Solar cell made with a quantum dot thermodynamic efficiency 100 किसी की नहीं हो सकती. ये लॉजिक ही नहीं है. किसी की भी efficiency thermodynamically 100 नहीं हो सकती. एनर्जी लॉस कहीं ना कहीं होता ही. Only 2 is correct. In the context of the geoengineering techniques, the primary purpose of the marine cloud brightening is to let more light enter the benefit zone of the ocean to create rain and arid, to mitigate climate change by increasing cloud reflexivity, to generate clean energy from marine clouds. Marine cloud brightening, cloud reflexivity, mitigate climate change के लिए को हुआ. स्टेटमेंट भी ऐसे बोल रहा है. Consider the following statement regarding the mission Psyche. It seems to study sun and the solar flares. It's an initiative of the European Space Agency. Obviously, one is correct. Which of the following embedded subscriber identity module eSIM technology? Unlike traditional SIM, eSIM is fixed onto the phone's motherboard, and eSIM makes the waterproofing of the device easier than the traditional SIM card. Definitely, it will replace the roaming services provided by the operator. Not at all. This is not the correct. It will replace the third is obviously wrong. Then first and second. In the context of the space tech, Blue Walker 3 recently seen in the news is Blue Walker, black hole. Which of the following statement explain the correct uses of Baylor machine? Baylor protect nuclear reaction from external damage. सूरतगढ़ मांडा आलमगीर दायमा हमारे हरपन साइड्स. देखो आलमगीरपुर है ही, दायमाबाद है ही, सुतका गेंडोर तो है ही पाकिस्तान में, मांडा भी है और आलमगीरपुर भी है और दायमाबाद भी है. With reference to the manganese deposits are located in all except the Dharwad system. All geological formations. गलत. Pyrrolite and Romanche sites are the ore of manganese. बिल्कुल सही. Manganese is classified as metallic non-ferrous major minerals in India. Jharkhand is the highest producer of manganese. No, only MP है. सो देखो विंध्य शक्ति कृष्णा एक, विजयादित्य एक. विंध्य शक्ति वक्टक कृष्णा एक राष्ट्रकूट का था, ये तो पता है, और विद्यादित्य नहीं था. चलो पेंगी. ओनली 2 इज करेक्ट. अहोले रवि कीर्ति, अहोले इंस्क्रिप्शन. हरिसेन प्रयाग प्रशस्ति 11th सेंचुरी. वाओ, मतलब देख रहे हो तुम, गुप्ता पीरियड के टाइम की चीज़ 11th सेंचुरी में हो रही है. ठीक है, तो गलत हो गया. कंगनहल्ली 3rd सेंचुरी BC बिफोर क्राइस्ट. बिल्कुल सही है क्योंकि अशोका के टाइम की बात है. कंगनहल्ली 3rd इज करेक्ट एंड फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट ऑब्वियसली. सो ओनली 2 इज करेक्ट. इजी क्वेश्चंस. क्वीन विक्टोरिया इन द टाइटल केसरी हिंद जस्ट आफ्टर द पैसेज ऑफ द एक्ट 1858. बिल्कुल सही है. इट अबॉलिश द ऑफिस ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ कंट्रोल एंड कोर्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. I think it was from the board of control and court of directors. No way. It created the new office of Secretary of the State, for which was the state complete authority and control of the Indian administration. Secretary of State बनाया गया. That's true. I think only 2 are correct, not wrong. Bombay government took steps to restore the owner's land which has been confiscated during the civil disobedience movement. बिल्कुल सही. The release of political prisoners involved in the Kakuri conspiracy case. सेकंड नहीं है. क्या मुंशी यूज CID अगेंस्ट द कम्युनिस्ट एंड लेफ्ट विंग कांग्रेसमैन. क्या मुंशी. सेकेंड इज नॉट थे बिकॉज काकूरी केस वॉज फ्रॉम, तो ये डिमांड तो नहीं थी. एंड आई थिंक 1 इज करेक्ट इफ नॉट रॉन्ग. घेरेबेरी, पथेरडाबी, देवी चौधरानी एंड 4 अध्याय. देवी चौधरानी लिखी थी बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी ने. सरला देवी चौधरानी. पथेरडाबी शरदचंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. घरे तो ये इसमें 2 स्वाइप करे हैं तो गलत हो गया. एवरी सेंसस collects caste data for all castes, but the data on SC/ST is not released. OBC कभी नहीं होता. States in the India have no power to conduct caste based surveys. गलत है. सेकंड इज रॉन्ग. सोशियो-इकोनॉमिक कास्ट सेंसस कंडक्टेड हुए थे, स्टैंडअलोन सेंसस नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ सेंसस 2011. थर्ड इज करेक्ट है ना. तो आई थिंक ओनली वन इज करेक्ट, ओनली टू, आई विल गो तो ओनली टू. अब पॉपुलर देखो SC ST का डेटा नहीं दिखाते हैं. अब पॉपुलर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट that primarily sought to surmount difficulty placed by the fundamental right and a way of giving to the principle contained clause B and C of the Article 9 when entered into the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Easy. With reference to the social justice law in India, consider the following pairs. Preventing entry into the hotel on the ground of untouchability, protection of civil rights Act 1985. Employ a 15-year-old boy for purpose of begging, juvenile justice care, construction of incendiary letterings, and provision of the manner of avenging F. The only one is correct here. Biodiversity consider the following statement regarding the phonotaxis. It's observed among the cricket, frog, and toads. It's aid in reproduction and communication among these organisms. सही है. So the following is the cloud forest. Forests that are located in the high mountain range and receive the frequent cloud cover are called the cloud forest. Forests that are mangrove and have a cool and moist climate. Forests from tropical region receive abundant rainfall, dense canopy trees and limited understory. Cloud forest ये होते हैं. Recently, 15th BRICS summit, that decision increase the number of the member was announced in the context. Consider the following statement. How many were going to be member of BRICS from January? तो इसमें से एक ने अपना नाम हटाया था. That was Argentina. So they are going to be Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Ethiopia. I think so. Turkey is not there. So one is not there. So I think 6 and only 4 statements are true, because generally UPSC do that. Dancing frogs, which recently they are naturally found only in the Western Ghat. No way. Only male perform a unique behavior called foot flagging, from which they got the name dancing frog. They are classified as vulnerable. Only 2. Kamlang, Arunachal, Palamu, Jharkhand, and Virangana Durgavati, MP में. That's true. Kamlang, I think Palmau is not here. Odisha में है. So only 2 is correct. Global Water Resources report. Global Water Resources. So this was released by, if I'm not wrong, I've read it. UNEP Global Water Resources. Kachap Operation Kachap. Kachap Whale, largely in Indian discovery of the live baby turtles by DRI, eradication of invasive species fish. Kachap, yeah. I think this. Sustainable fishing among Kochi. I have read it, I'm unable to recall it. I need to revise it. 2023 is said to be the hottest year on the earth, with the November likely to be 7 above the pre-industrial level. We are not yet exceeding 2 as written in Paris, but grim warning coming on 17th as the temperature temporarily rise tipped above 2 for the very first time in the record. For statement, increased aerosol pollution, sea ice failing to recover after winter, strong El Nino, increased solar activity. How many of the can we consider affected for the temporary or sudden spike in the temperature? Solar activities इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं है, तो ओनली टेम्परेरी तो चारों से हो सकता है. कंसिडर फॉलोइंग नेशंस: बांग्लादेश, इंडिया, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, कोलंबिया. हमने आर दी ग्लोबल डेक्लेरेशन फॉर रिवर डॉल्फिन प्रोटेक्शन 2030. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डॉल्फिन्स कहाँ पे होंगी? इंडिया में है. बांग्लादेश करेगा, नेपाल ऑब्वियसली नहीं करेगा, और पाकिस्तान भी नहीं करेगा, एंड कोलंबिया. सो आई थिंक ओनली 3 स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. कंसिडर फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है, ग्राम सभा कंसेंट इज एसेंशियल. ठीक है, CFR encompasses various type of the forest including unclassified, protected reserve except national parks. So how many are not correct? Only 2 is not correct. Consider following statement regarding the price elasticity of demand. Griffin goods exhibit the positive price elasticity of the demand. Demand for luxury goods highly elastic to change in the market price. The demand for the tur dal is inelastic, as the food product has no good substitute. Only two is correct. Not correct regarding the cultivation of millets in India. India accounts for nearly 50% of the global production. Average in India is higher than global average. In India, millets are grown primarily as kharif crops. Millets require less water and agricultural input. सही है. India millets are grown खरीफ में होती हैं, रबी सर्दी, खरीफ तो चाहे तो खरीफ में होती हैं. एवरेज यील्ड इन इंडिया इज हायर देन. ठीक है, इंडिया अकाउंट 50% तो नहीं है मिलेट्स का. ATM withdrawal. UPI can be used to perform how many of the functions? ATM withdrawal, opening of the bank account, making payment from rupee credit cards, paperless eKYC, IPO subscriptions. So I think only 3 is correct here. Consider the following statements regarding the e-commerce industry in India. In an inventory-based model of e-commerce, inventory of the goods service owned by the e-commerce entity is sold to the customer directly. In a marketplace model, e-commerce entity on a digital and electronic network acts as facilitator between buyer and seller. बिल्कुल सही. Foreign investment is not permitted in a marketplace model of e-commerce. नहीं, ये तो गलती है. तो how many are correct? In inventory model of e-commerce, inventory of the goods service owned by a e-commerce entity sold to the customer directly. No way, only one is correct. ठीक है. Negative yield bonds pay the investor a maturity amount lower than the purchase price of the bond. नेगेटिव यील्ड बॉन्ड यील्ड, नेगेटिव बॉन्ड यील्ड की बात हो रही है. बॉन्ड यील्ड कम कर रहा है यानी प्राइस बढ़ जा रहा है. मेच्योरिटी अमाउंट लोअर देन द परचेज प्राइस. निगेटिव हो रही है बॉन्ड यील्ड, माइनस में जा रही है, तो प्राइस बहुत हाई हो रहा है. सही है. द इन्वेस्टमेंट डिमांड फॉर द नेगेटिव यील्ड डिक्रीजेज ड्यूरिंग टाइम ऑफ इकोनॉमिक अनसर्टेनिटी. यस, कैश रखना चाहते हैं तो लोग, तो उसको बेचना चाहते हैं तो डिमांड कम हो जाती है. बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू. Not the correct explanation, I think. Consider the following statement regarding India's 5-year plans. The main aim of the second 5-year plan is to make India self-reliant, self-generating economy. Iron steel industry belonged to a setup, and the third, the financial sector became the integral part of the. So I think only 2 is correct here. Second is wrong. In the context of finance, high alpha, low beta stock imply. So it's a high return and low volatility. High alpha and low beta, low returns and low risk stocks that exhibit high returns related to the risk. See, I think first is correct. Consider the following statement regarding the investment models. Under the engineering, procurement, construction model of the private players, no road ownership, toll collection, maintenance, galat. In building operation, BOT toll, the responsibility for the design and development of the project vested with the government. Galat. Under the hybrid or annuity model, a part of the project cost is paid by the government to the private as a construction support. बिल्कुल सही है. Under the engineering, procurement, construction model, the private players no role. Galat, only one is correct. In consideration regarding Indian Japan Fund. Indian Japan Fund was launched by the National Investment Infrastructure Fund. The fund will focus investing in creating defense capital of both the countries. Majority of the stake in the fund is owned by the Indian government. That's not so. Only 2 is correct. Consider following statement regarding the World Heritage Convention. For a site to be included in the World Heritage List, it should be the outstanding universal value, maintain 50% of the selection criteria. Wrong individuals are not eligible for the international assistance under the. That is wrong. There is no site in India which is a part of the list of World Heritage in danger. So that's also wrong. So I think how many are correct? Only one is correct. That is, in the context of biology, buttermeal. Type of small flowering aquatic plant. Zero phytic plant grown in Thar desert. Type of bacteria contaminates mostly groundwater. The most oldest terrestrial insectivorous plants. Watermeal. Flowering aquatic plant. Type of bacteria groundwater contaminate करेगा. Only an advocate on record can file a case before Supreme Court. Under the 96, a lawyer enrolled with the bar is entitled to practice law before any court in India. The rule governing the AOR is governed by the rule under Galat, and AOR is not barred from appearing before the court other than Supreme Court. Only 2 are correct. Operation Vijay Ajay Rahat Dev Shakti. Evacuate ना सूडान सही है. विजय इजराइल हमास सही है. राहत एंड तीजार मतलब जस्ट अपोजिट कर दे सकती है. सो क्राइसिस था. सो आई थिंक ओनली 2 आर करेक्ट. with reference to the groundwater resource report, consider the following, है ना. Ground water resource assessment. The main source of replenishable groundwater resources is recharged from the river. ठीक है. While the annual groundwater extraction from irrigation increase, the same has decreased from the industrial uses. That's not true. Annual groundwater recharge for the country has increased compared to the last assessment. That's also false. Only one is correct. एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस पे क्वेश्चन है. कंसर्न वर्ल्ड वाइड फूड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वेल्थ, हंगर, लाइफ, यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रंस फंड. हाउ मेनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन्वॉल्व इन पब्लिकेशन ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स. हंगर निकालता है वी. हंगर ये थर्ड इज ट्रू. एफ सही है. टू आर करेक्ट. कंसर्न वर्ल्ड वाइड, यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रन फंड 1 4 नहीं, ओनली 2 आई थिंक करेक्ट है. Consider the following geographical formations: Grikes, Clines, Dolines, and Arete. How many limestone formations? Dolomite सही है, Arete सही है, Grike सही है. 1 3 and 4 only 2 are correct, I think. Coral reefs are generally absent on the western coast of the continent. East and west. Yes, definitely true है, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर ईस्टर्न कोस्ट पे हैं. They do not flourish in the region of the cold current because upwelling cools the warm surface water. Statement 2 is wrong, so I think this is the answer. With reference to the factor affecting the Indian monsoon, consider the following statement. Warming of the surface of the Atlantic Ocean weakens the monsoon. During the transportation of Arabian Sea from the Middle Eastern desert, the Sahara and Sinai could increase the rainfall in India. Only one is correct. Yarlong Songpe entered the Arunachal Pradesh by taking a spectator turn from the Nanga Parvat. India's longest Bhupeen Hazarika bridge is built on the Lohit River, which is the northwest bank Galat. Saket Wildlife Sanctuary located on river Dimang, which is the best tributary of Dihang. Only one is correct. Bharat Pay, Open Forge, My Scheme, Bhashini, Open Credit Enabled Network. How many above are considered digital public infrastructure? Bharat Pay, Open Forge, My Scheme. 1 3 4 5. Only 3 are there. Which of the following nation recently signed a climate refuge deal with Australia? Solomon Tuvalu is there, I think. So I think submit is the option, and submit test. So how much I got? 43 correct. Score is 48.38. Highest 124. Total 1000. Average is 67.7. I scored 48.38. And I attempted all the questions. Percentile is decent. That means I have decent rank. Not so good, not so bad. So that's okay. If you are getting 50, it's fine, because these are the tests are like that. But apply the logic you get from the UPSC. So this is all in this video. I have solved the paper. Thanks for watching.